welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Samantha Parr. Now you know, I'm glad that's established. This is gonna be a little bit of a different video because it is Rolling Loud this weekend, guys. I am so excited. I have been anticipating this for months. We've had this Airbnb checked out for months, let alone like, oh my god, there are gonna be like 11 or 12 people in this Airbnb and it's gonna be crazy. I have a feeling this is gonna be the best weekend ever. I am so excited. I have no idea what to expect of this weekend. I have never been to a festival. I don't know how out of order this is gonna be, but if it is, I apologize in advance.
Many hours later.
This loft is humongous! Oh my god! Yeah, we're pretty close.
But she almost came up against the
We keep trying to move back, and these keep happening. So, we just got our faces done. We are ready for day 2 of Rolling Loud. Didn't really record on day 1 because it was just really hectic and stressful.
We got trampled,
hair pulled,
dirty shoes, but it's all good.
Very dirty shoes. My outfit today.
Hey.
I'm so ready. I'm prepared.
Love it.
But we have a loft and it is so cool. It's messy right now, but I'm gonna show you anyway.
So this is our room, our little loft. Another bed, this is our bed, great, messy. Another bed, another bed. Our whole room out there. And there's a room over there. It's ridiculous.
I don't know about you, but I look good today. Let me see. So, we're at Rolling Loud. We have made it with our people. Right there. Heck yeah.
Got it. Alright, y'all. Hey!
Big bang, take little bang. Big bang, take little bang.
Money got lines, we got lines, call that faster. Tell to a side, it's probably got tired, she call me daddy. Smoking that gas, going on that time, this shit on the powder.
Andres' sister goes to like all of them, she's so into it.
Okay, so kind of a change of scenery. Did not do anything for an outro for Rolling Loud. I was a little too exhausted for anything, but Rolling Loud was so fun that I just had to buy Travis Scott tickets. So here we are. We got these last night. We are here. I am so ready. I'm so excited. Are you excited? I'm so excited.
Yes.
I'm so excited. I have a huge test tomorrow and I'm here.
Y'all, you.
Ring ching ching, ring ching ching, pie bait, pie bait. my study material. I'm about to take my test. Astroworld was great. Rolling Loud was great. Don't know why I did that the week before finals, but I think it's fine. That was my little vlog slash mess of a video. If you liked it, subscribe, like. If you liked it, you better like it. You don't have to, but like, it'd be pretty cool if you did. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the little snippets. It was a little everywhere. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, family, parents, moms, dads. Those are the same things. But you know, pretty much you get the gist of it. Tell everybody. Wish me luck on this test. If I get an A, I'm gonna laugh in Sophia's face.
Think you're gonna get an A? Stupid. You ain't even get the chance.
Thank you so much, guys. You guys all have a wonderful day. And wish me luck.
What if I just went out?
Do it.